Cooling for mining is primarily the exhaust ventilation. The industrial fan takes the heated air from the mining pod and takes it outside. At the same time, cooler air from the outside enters through the installed Z-shaped louvers. In this way, a constant heat dissipation is created, so the cooling of the mining equipment works more efficiently. Aiproenergy uses high-performance exhaust fans. The use of industrial fans has a number of positive features: high power and efficiency, long-term operation without repair, maintaining ideal air circulation in the mining container at lower energy costs. Fans are installed on the wall evenly along the entire length of the container opposite the racks with mining machines. The space between them forms a spacious hot corridor, designed so that the fans can be pulled out and retracted for ease of movement and maintenance. During transport, the fans slide inwards and are secured with a set of bolts. During operation, they slide out and are also fixed with bolts. Aiproenergy's 20-feet BiTTANK mining pod contains 10 industrial exhaust fans with a total capacity of 120,000 CFM. In simple terms, the entire volume of air inside the container is replaced every second. This allows to prevent a decrease in computing power, overheating and burnout of microcircuits, ensures trouble-free operation, and therefore constant profit, guarantees a comfortable temperature in the container, which makes it easier to control mining. Aiproenergy containers are the right choice for efficient and reliable mining.